I'm back in the kitchen again with another one with Chef Ricardo, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I just making this an amazing turmeric recipe. It is amazing, guys. You know, turmeric is very good for, inflammation. And if you are feeling pain and all of this, sometimes it does help to reduce the pain and all of these things at home. Now, what you can do, you can make it same like what Chef Ricardo do, put it into your fridge and have one of those little buckler a daytime. It is a lovely recipe and I want to introduce it to you. So what we're going to do, we're not going to keep this thing too long. We're going to jump straight into it and make this one, guys. Anyway, remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. I love you and thank you so much, guys, for your support. You guys mean a lot to me. Big up yourself. My respect goes for you. And the only thing we can do, we pray that the Lord will bless you, guide you, and protect you. Stay tuned in. Let's do this together. Turmeric shot. We got some turmeric, ginger, orange, lemon, and lime, and some fresh garlic and water. Now, this recipe is not a normal recipe. It's a recipe which I want to encourage you to make at home. All right. So bless upon yourself, and let's jump straight into this right now and make this. So we got cayenne pepper also. Lovely. First thing, 4 cloves of garlic inside of this right here. 4 cloves of garlic. Ginger, a portion of ginger. You need a portion, a good portion of ginger. All right, yeah, whole heap of ginger you need. Turmeric. Orange, I'm using 2 medium-sized orange. This is lime and lemon. Yeah. Every minute, I'm gonna run to the doctor for medication. Which I do not even know that these are some simple recipe at home. All right, water. Yeah, simple comedic recipe like that. When I run to the doctor, you don't need to blender. Put on it on the top. Alright, so that look nice. Yeah, simple little recipe like this when I run to the doctor because when I want to get better. And I admit, yes, when I want to get better, and that's why I go to the doctor. But sometimes you don't have to see your GP because of some simple little things at home. Alright, this recipe is a very powerful one, and this one is I would say, is to tell you that if you're at home, you can make this. And this is another thing. It's sad because most of the time in the supermarket, these ingredients are there spoiling because there is no one to buy them. You know what I mean? Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to blend it up. Alright, let's blend it up. In the meantime, get yourself a copy of the book. See there? Alright. Alright, so you can see even some of this is going right now, but a good vibes. We just have to use what we have to use. Alright, yeah. Right here, so a whole heap are going on right there, so. Lovely. And what we're going to do, we're going to get some cayenne pepper, roughly about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. black pepper it up also. Now it will end up just dissolve inside of it, to be honest with you. Alright, here it is. Very simple and very easy to make at home. Alright, yeah man. Pour it into this one. Here it is. All right. One of this a day, good, in the morning on an empty stomach. All right. Yeah, that's all I'm saying to you guys. You can do this at home, and it doesn't complicate it. Here it is. Very easy and simple to make at home. Remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success, is available right now for you guys to get yourself a copy. Go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and get yourself a copy. Here it is. Very simple, but also delicious. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Good recipes.